What are you doing with that? Don't, whatever you do, don't hit the dog. Hey guys, we're at the ranch. There's my cousin Jesse. And there's... Shh, be quiet. Look up there and you just can't see this now. Just don't put it at us. Oh, dude, look it. Blackie. Blackie.
Sure? No,
Look, it says push safe.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, first of all, what are you? Tell the audience what we're doing.
That's my winner, audience.
We're shooting a butthole. Oh, well. So one's talking about butthole and one's talking about a wiener.
Nah, dude.
Why don't we go back there?
Can I shoot it?
This movie be
Look at
that.
this one over there. Dude, there's hella on that tree. Look at it.
Look, there's little birdies in there.
What the hell
Don't
far
shoot the
though?
little birdies.
Look, there. There's some right here.
Oh, look. Oh, that's good, you know. I saw a bird fly.
Dude, me and Alexis hella tried to climb that tree right there, but we couldn't. We got
Dude,
stuck.
remember my dad shot a blue jay? And it was hanging by
that
foot?
was crazy.
That was sick, though.
Oh,
Dude, look at.
You wear a Volcom wear?
Oh, look at.
You don't need a cuss. Because I don't know how to do that. I mean, I don't know how to block it out.
Oh, shit. Stay behind me. Stay behind me. Stay behind me.
Stay, Crystal.
Okay.
Yeah, look at my dog's shoes.
Why would you wear those shoes here, dude?
Yeah,
you're
you're
sick?
stupid.
At a farm. Pretty sick on a farm.
It's a ranch. Don't spit on my audience.
Oh, that's right there.
Don't spit on my audience. Ew, I caught that on film.
Hey, we're not chickens.
Ah!
We're not chickens. Not at all. See, but now that's...
I know.
So, we're hunting for chickens right now. It fell.
Nah.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, it fell because it got scared.
Can I go poke it?
Where'd it go?
It fell in between right there. Do you see the square? It fell in between there.
Watch, look it.
Did it
It's not
leave?
dead. Watch. I guarantee it's not dead.
What if it is? Then you just killed the bird. It was in there. I swear to God, I saw it fall in there.
You're tripping. I don't see shit.
I swear.
Shit.
It was like blue, like yellow, mixed with like brown shit color.
Here, otherwise it would have been a movie.
I don't know what I'm talking
Look, it's right there, left. He told you.
Yeah,
See, I know shit.
about. Shut up.
There's one more.
You know, I saw a whole, the bird.
Well, one more.
No, the bird just flew by. I saw it was right there. Gosh. Bird just got shot.
Poor birdie.
Oh, you got him
Right in the
right.
head.
Headshot.
Back of the head.
Right in the head.
That was the best shot ever. Right here. Props.
You give me some. Profile pic right here.
Props right there, dude.
Here. No.
You want me to take it with my phone?
Profile pic.
Yeah, hold the gun.
No, I am.
You want me to take it with my phone?
Oh yeah, or yeah.
Cause
here.
this.
Hold them both like that.
But like, come there next to me though. So like, just tag us and.
Hold on. Okay, hold on, guys. Bye.
Dude, you got